Thank you for joining us tonight. It has been more than 2 years since Amir Locke was shot and killed by a Minneapolis police officer during the execution of a no-knock warrant. And today, a federal judge cleared the way for a lawsuit to move forward against that officer and the city of Minneapolis. The shooting never resulted in criminal charges, but now the civil case is moving forward.
KARE 11 reporter Kent Erdahl joins us from the newsroom to explain what's next. Kent?
Well, this means the civil case could now go to trial or be settled out of court. The city of Minneapolis had tried to dismiss it, arguing that Officer Mark Hanneman was never criminally charged and acted reasonably. But a judge denied that motion today, saying the critical moments remain unclear.
Police search warrant! Police!
Less than 10 seconds after an MPD SWAT team entered this apartment looking for someone else in February of 2022, Officer Mark Hanneman shot and killed Amir Locke while he was draped in a blanket.
He's got a gun!
When prosecutors declined to bring criminal charges months later, they cited body camera video showing Locke with a gun in his hand without a finger on the trigger, pointed in the direction of Officer Hanneman. But today's order from a federal judge says a few dark frames of video aren't enough to dismiss the civil case, writing it remains plausible that Amir was attempting to comply with officers' directions to drop the handgun and surrender before he was shot.
We were just astonished when they were executing a no-knock warrant.
Civil rights attorney Ben Crump, who filed the lawsuit on behalf of the family, said in a statement today, this ruling marks a critical step forward in the pursuit of accountability and justice for Amir Locke and his family. This order now gives us the ability to fully conduct discovery into the city of Minneapolis and ensure that every stone is turned over in Amir's name.
What they're saying here is not that Officer Hanneman necessarily committed a crime, but they're claiming that he violated Amir Locke's right to be free from deadly force.
University of St. Thomas law professor Rachel Moran says while it's now clear those claims won't be dismissed, it's still hard to see where the case goes from here.
The judge is saying, look, it is not as clear as either side is trying to say it is.
Speaking of either side, I reached out to the city of Minneapolis for comment today and was told that the city attorney is reviewing this order and that litigation will continue. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Kent.